Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video that does not have anything to do with Halloween, but I had to create it for you because a brand new collection came out and it is stunning. We have the brand spankin' new Urban Decay Naked Cherry collection right here in this big giant cherry. So Urban Decay was nice enough to send all of this over to me, and I figured that you guys probably want to know everything all about it. You want to see swatches, review, tutorial. So that's what I'm going to do for you. We're going to jump into the swatches review first, and then I'm going to show you a tutorial using all of the products from the new Urban Decay Cherry collection. Let's do it. So here is the Naked Cherry palette. It has an assortment of mattes and shimmers, and there's a total of 12 colors in here. And here are the swatches. Then you have the highlight and blush palette, and it has 2 highlights and a blush in the middle. And here are those swatches right here. Then you have 3 different color lipsticks. You have Juicy, Devilish, and last but not least, you have Cherry. Then you have 2 eyeliners, part of the collection. You have Black Market and Love Drug. And the last piece of the collection is the All-Nighter Cherry Scented Setting Spray. I don't know if it smells like cherries, but it's not bad. So now that you guys have seen swatches, here's just a little bit of info on the collection. The collection, I believe, should be out already, completely launched, if I'm not mistaken. I think it actually, I'm filming this the day after it. I'm pretty sure it launched because I had a couple of people come to me and tell me that they purchased it already or were waiting for my review to purchase. Thanks. So I believe it's already out and available to purchase. The eyeshadow palette runs for $49. I think all of their palettes always run for about $49. The actual highlights and blush palette goes for $34. Then you have their eyeliner pencils, which are $21, and their Vice lipsticks, which are $18. I believe those are basic. I'm not sure if the lipsticks are brand new or if they're just part of this collection or if they're for something else. I'm pretty sure that their eyeliner pencils are already in their classic collection, and the lipsticks, I believe, are already part of their lipstick collection as well. What's new, I think, is the Naked Cherry highlight and blush palette and also the eyeshadow palette. And then lastly, the All-Nighter setting spray, which is the miniature version, which is for $15. Everything's available on Sephora, Ulta, Select Macy's, and online at Ulta, Sephora, Macy's, and UrbanDecay.com. So that's a little bit of information. I know you guys want to see the tutorial, so keep on watching if you want to see how I got this look. Alright guys, we're jumping right into this tutorial. I'm starting off with this dusty pink color. I decided to prime my eyes. I never prime my eyes. I don't know why. I just use concealer. I'm using concealer here. I gotta start priming them because my eyeshadow does crease from time to time, and I think this is why. But I'm just taking that dusty pink color and putting that into the crease of my eye. And then I'm taking this deeper burgundy and I'm just gonna place that on the outer corner, or the outer V of my eye. And then I'm taking the darker shimmer color and I'm gonna place that on the outer corner as well. And you guys can see me talking to you on live. So if you tuned into this live and you saw me do this video live, comment down below and let me know you tuned in. So once I've done that, I blended these shimmery, the 2 darkest colors in the palette, one's shimmery and one's matte. I did those in the outer corner, and then I took some Tarte Shape Tape and I blended that, or created like a cut crease and then blended it in the center. I took kind of like a mauve, not a mauvey, but more of like a pinky shimmer, and I put that on the inner, the middle of my eye, and then I put a white shimmery shadow on the inner corner of my eye, and I placed a MAC glitter shadow on top, and I just kind of tried my best to blend it into the pink. I wasn't doing so well with the blending, so I went back into the palette into the lightest shimmery pink, and I put that right in the center so that the colors would mix together. I'm taking the eyeliner that came in this collection, I think it's called Love Drug, and I'm putting it in my bottom waterline, and then I'm tight lining with the black on the top lash. I also used it as kind of like a little bit of a smoky liner so that our lashes, which are these, the Eylure Jasmine Brown lashes, would blend a lot better. I am applying the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and once I'm done applying the Too Faced Hangover Primer, I'm moving on to the Dr. Brandt Pore Filling Primer or Smoothing Primer, and then for our foundation, I'm using the IT Cosmetics Matte CC Cream, and I'm just going to blend this all over my entire face. And once we're done putting on our foundation, we're going to do the basics. We're going to go over to some concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in, I believe, light medium. I usually use light medium or light neutral from the Shape Tape if you guys were curious. Obviously light medium when I'm a little tanner, light neutral when I'm a little paler. And then I'm setting everything with the Cover FX Matte Setting Powder. And once I've set everything, I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. I'm using the Naked Cherry Highlight and Contour Palette? No, Highlight and Blush Palette, and the Sweetie Pie Bronzer from Too Faced. So I used both highlighters, the blush from the Urban Decay Cherry Collection palette and the bronzer from Too Faced. I also applied the highlighter to my inner corners and brow bone, and then we move on to the lips. I'm applying a Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil, and then the darkest color lipstick that came in the collection on the outer part of my lips, and then the pink shimmer color on the center. I love the way the lips came out. Sprayed the Cherry Collection setting spray, and this is the final look, guys. Alright guys, so that's it for this video on my review of the entire Urban Decay new Naked Cherry collection. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I want to know what you guys think about this brand new collection. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Are you going to get it? Are you not going to get it? Is this collection worth Urban Decay getting rid of their first holy grail naked palette? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like these. Subscribe to me right here so you don't miss out on any of my Halloween tutorials or any of my other tutorials coming to you this October and beyond. And check out all of my other videos right here on the side. Love you guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.